My name is Freeman. I'm from Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. I'm a visual communication designer and I am the graphic designer and installation artist here at the EMC. I first started working here at the EMC this semester, fall of 2019, and working on creating a more colorful and kind of exciting environment for the Emergent Media Center. I do a lot of motion graphics and graphics for the videos that we make here. For the installation artist piece, it's kind of the new position this year. I get to create it myself. I thought of this one installation piece that's kind of like a field of flowers but hanging on the ceiling. And I wanted to incorporate laser cutting along with recycled pieces of tech equipment, which kind of encompasses the tech piece of the EMC. It's a pretty collaborative community, and with our open workspace, we're really encouraged to move around and talk to people who have a different major than you. Maybe if you have a really big idea and you're not sure you can tackle it, but there's pieces that you could go and ask someone else to help you with. We also recently started this slideshow of all the students' work that are working here and kind of displaying that around the EMC and all the different monitors that we have. That helps us kind of see what we're all working on and how we can collaborate with each other and just being more inspired by what we do.